Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. I hope you all completed that given homework. That homework was you have to write this poem with a picture in your fair notebook and underline rhyming words in your textbook only. Okay. So, learning object of this poem is to appreciate the rhyming in the poem, to realize the wonder of creations, to value creator's creation of a human life. Means first we will underline that rhyming words and realize means हम उसके बारे में सोचेंगे कितना realize होता है wonderful creation. God created a wonderful world for us. So we will realize how God will create it for us for this wonderful world. Then value of creators creation of human life. See here, God not only created only nature, God created us also, means humans also. We have to always thankful to God for giving this chance to live on this wonderful earth. So, listen students, this poem is written by Shanta Rameshwar Rao. She born at 1924 and died on 2015, was an Indian writer and teacher who wrote several short stories and books for children like Sithu, Tales of Ancient India and the Children's Mahabharat. In the poem, these books she wrote in English, and in this poem the poet tells us that there may be thousands of other things, but this word each of us is unique and special. Okay, now it's an introduction of our poetess. So this one poem is there, that poem is thousands of thousands. Okay, before going to start that poem we have to know about poetess. I explained about you Shanta Rameshwar Rao. She is an Indian poetess. She wrote many children's stories and she wrote this poem also. Okay, this poem also. Now I am going to explain this poem. So that poem is thousands and thousands. And she said before this one, God made us everyone unique and special. Okay. So now, how we are a special? After reading and explaining this poem, you will get an idea. Thousands and thousands. Thousands and thousands of grains and sand. Thousands of stars in the sky. Thousands of mountains. Thousands of hills. Thousands of birds that fly. Okay, I am going to explain now first stanza. The stanza is about sky and mountains and hill. Now we will move to the second stanza. Thousands and thousands of blades of grass, thousands of fish in the seas, thousands and thousands of pretty flowers, thousands and thousands trees. See here, first she explained about mountain, sand and star and bird in the sky. Now she is explaining about blade of grass. Means grass के जो लंबे लंबे पत्ते होते हैं उसको blade of grass बोलते हैं. Thousands of fishes in the seas, thousands and thousands pretty flowers. We see na at hill stations, at gardens, thousands of thousands same flowers were there. Thousands and thousands of trees. हम कहाँ पे भी देखते हैं तो सेम टू सेम थाउजेंड वैल्यू में blades of grass, fish in the sea, thousands of thousands, and thousands of thousands pretty flowers, and thousands of thousands same to same trees. Here she explained here blades of grass, fish in the seas, pretty flowers and trees. Okay, she explained about grass, thousands of grass, thousands of fishes in seas, thousands of pretty flowers and thousands of trees. Okay, they all are countless. हम काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते, इतने सारे बड़े अमाउंट में वो सभी थे. Thousands and thousands of creatures and things all around I see. But isn't it a strange that there is only one me? Here, one strange thing is happening with her. She is watching all. In first stanza, she watched grains of sands, stars in the sky, mountains, hills, and birds. In second stanza, all are in thousands of value. In second stanza, blade of grass also in thousands, fishes are also in thousand value, flowers are in also thousands value, and thousands of trees are also, trees value is also more than thousands. Now, one strange thing is happening with us and that poetess also. She is explaining to her, we watch everywhere thousands of thousands, but one strange thing is happening with me. Only I am one. मैं ही एक अकेली हूँ, जैसे मेरे जैसे कोई नहीं है. So, poetess explained that ना, we are unique and special. हमारे जैसा thousands and thousands आप कहीं देख सकते हो? No. बाकी सब thousands and thousands वैल्यू में आप देख सकते हो, बट thousands and thousands वैल्यू में आप ये सब हमारे जैसे कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को नहीं देख सकते हो. सो वी हैव टू ऑलवेज थैंकफुल टू गॉड. वन स्ट्रेंज थिंग इज दैट इज देर इज ओनली वन मी. मैं एक ही हूँ विजयश्री मैम, जैसे एक ही है. आप बच्चे जैसे जितने भी बच्चे हो आप एक ही हो. thousands of thousands, बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं, बच्चे होते बट एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं. इट इज़ द पोएम ऑफ thousands and thousands, and we have to thankful always God for creating us and making us a unique and special in this world. Okay, thank you. Now I am going to explain you in one worksheet. You have to solve that worksheet unseen poem today in your worksheet. Okay, and that is also in your homework. You have to